Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
As we step into the realm of interior design in 2024, sofa trends are evolving to reflect a fusion of comfort, style, and sustainability. The modern consumer seeks not only a cozy haven but also a statement piece that aligns with contemporary aesthetics and ethical values. One prominent trend emerging in 2024 is the resurgence of bold colors and eclectic patterns. Sofas are becoming canvases for self-expression, featuring rich jewel tones, vibrant prints, and unexpected textures. This departure from neutral tones breathes life into living spaces, encouraging a playful and personalized approach to interior design. In line with the growing emphasis on sustainable living, eco-friendly materials are taking center stage in sofa design. From recycled fabrics to responsibly sourced wood frames, manufacturers are responding to the demand for environmentally conscious options. This trend not only aligns with a broader societal shift towards sustainability but also ensures that sofas become enduring pieces that stand the test of time. Modularity continues to be a key player in sofa trends for 2024. As urban living spaces become more compact, modular sofas offer flexibility and adaptability. These customizable pieces can be rearranged to suit changing needs, making them an ideal choice for dynamic and multifunctional environments. The versatility of modular sofas caters to the modern lifestyle, accommodating various activities from lounging to socializing with ease. Texture is making a comeback in a big way. Plush fabrics, boucle, and nubby textiles are gaining popularity, adding depth and tactility to sofa designs. This emphasis on texture not only enhances the visual appeal but also contributes to the overall sensory experience of comfort and coziness. Sofas are increasingly being seen as design statements rather than mere functional furniture. Unique silhouettes and unconventional shapes are becoming more prevalent, allowing sofas to become focal points in contemporary interiors. From asymmetrical designs to unconventional armrests, these statement sofas contribute to the overall aesthetic of the living space. In summary, the sofa trends for 2024 blend a harmonious mix of aesthetics, sustainability, and functionality. From bold colors and eclectic patterns to eco-friendly materials and modular designs, the evolution of sofas reflects a commitment to individual style, environmental responsibility, and the dynamic needs of modern living. As we welcome the future of interior design, sofas are poised to become not just pieces of furniture but integral components of our evolving lifestyles and design sensibilities.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!